In Excel file, whenever we open any Excel sheet, the rows, any horizontal line is called rows, and any vertical lines like that is called columns. And whenever you choose a cell in there, we call that is a cell, and this box shows the name of the cell, or sometimes we call that is the cell address. So name of the cell or cell address. So right now our cell B5 is selected. So if you choose something else, it shows where or what cells we chose right now, like that. But this box doesn't show anything. It's a formula bar. It's called formula bar because in all these cells doesn't have any data inside. But if you choose this one, then you can see the same text here, right? So this part is where you really typing in the data for each cell. For number, a little bit different because we just give a formula for that numbers. So you can type that number directly, or you can give a formula. And the difference between the number and the formula is that equal signs. So whatever the data start with the equality, the Excel understand that is a formula. So this number inside this cell is actually 2 to the 20. So whenever you finish your typing, hit enter, then it will give you the answer. And sometimes you can see this kind of notation. Actually there is a data, but the size of the data is longer than the size of the cell length. So to see that part, all you need is just move your cursor around here, and when the cursor is changed to this cross shape, you can actually dragging this bar to change the size of it. And if you select only one cell, then it gives you the cell name or address like that, D11. But if you select many cells like that, or like this by dragging your cursor, this one only shows the initial cell when you start selecting. So in our communication, if you want to denote, we just choose the range of these cells starting from D11 to F14, because the way we select the cells or the range is only rectangular shape. You cannot select D11, DE, and D12. That three cells, right? So it's always rectangular shape. So to denote this range of cells, all we need is top left corner of the range and bottom right corner of the range. So for our communication, let's say for this, we can just simply say D9 to F9 with colon between them. Then it means we just select a range starting from D9 to F9, or if it's F10, then the meaning is our range is starting from D9 and ending at F10.